This playlist is staying like it is. And then I got a bunch of items that I already know what I'm gonna choose for the drag car build idea. And then there's a bunch of other items as well that I need to choose. Like wheels, tires, rear end, transmission, I already know what torque converter. So then hopefully you guys understand, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. Oh, and I know what I'm going to do for roll cage and a bunch of other items as well. But then I'm going to keep you guys posted on the whole situation on how I'm going to build this drag car.